No, it's okay. If you can't see, some of the kids are feeding the dragon. That is lucky to do in the new year. There they are feeding him money. Those kids. The dragon was wagging his tail a minute ago. There he is, wagging his tail. Very happy dragon. He's got lots of money. Oh, he's gonna lay down with them. What did you think? You don't like the dragon? What did you think? Hi, sweet girls. No eating the berries. Yuck. No yuck. Look at you wearing your glasses. You look so cute. You helping, sister? You're a good big sister. Aww. Dragon dancer.
It was a lion.
The lion? And what did you think about him?
It was long.
It was long. What did he do?
The person was doing something, and the lion just stretched out his legs, and one person in the back just standing on, and one person in the front just went like this, and his feet was off the ground.
Yeah, when he stretched his neck out and shook his head, or when he shook his tail, did that mean he was happy or sad?
Happy.
Why was he happy, do you think?
Because we got good luck and we gave him our money.
because he got to eat lots of good luck monies?
Yeah, and I hope I get a quarter in Chinese candy. A Chinese quarter, the Chinese candy in the bag.
Wow. For Chinese New Year. And what year is it?
Chinese New Year.
The year of the what? What animal?
Lion and Mommy is
Okay, obviously they didn't talk about the years.
Mommy.
What is it, honey?
Is tonight the dragon dance?
What?
Is tonight the dragon dance because I just saw the lion.
Yeah, that was the dragon dance. That was the lion. It was a lion dragon, and he was dancing and eating your monies, gobbling them up like this. Yum 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 yum.
No, the people was taking it.
Okay, I'm gonna turn this off now. Say bye.
Bye.